Okay, so my name is Kelvin, and I'm come to teach you how to terminate an internet cable. So first, you need a Cat6 cable, an RJ45, and a Crimping tool, and a tester to check if your cable is working. So first, you'd have to cut the mouth of your Cat6 cable using the Crimping tool. You insert it here. So you see, it comes off very easy. Then you separate the cables. Then you arrange it according to the color coding, which is orange and white first, which is this orange and white first, then orange, then green and white, green and white, orange and white first, then orange, then green and white, then blue. Make sure they are straight, very straight, then blue, then blue and white, sorry, green, brown and white, and then brown. Yes, so that's it. Connect it like this. Make it straight. Make sure they are straight, very straight. And then you cut the mouth so it becomes straight. So you can insert into the RJ45. Insert it. How you see I'm inserting it like this. Insert it into your crimping tool. Then you have to hear a sound to show that it has crimped. Then pause on. So here you notice that all the lights has turned on. So it's supposed to start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so 8. So when all the lights turn on, like the way it's turning, all the lights are turning on here, and it's not jumping any. It means it's working. Yes. So it means you can now use this cable. It means you have terminated this cable. Yes. Thank you. Now I'm going to connect it to the two laptops and transfer a file, and you see how it works.